Hello and welcome to the course. Before beginning the course, I need to give you some idea on what are the accessories and goods that you're gonna need in order to complete this course. Obviously, you're gonna need an iPad or an Android tablet. We're gonna demonstrate the whole course using iPad, but you can translate those skills into an Android tablet as well. Adobe Photoshop Sketch is also available on iPhone and Android phone, so you can try these stuff in your phones as well. But I would highly recommend an iPad. But of course, this is a course about Adobe Photoshop Sketch, so you should have Adobe Photoshop Sketch installed on your iPad or Android powered device. I highly recommend using an Apple Pencil. It's highly precise and it will give you the best experience. It has all these options like Bluetooth connectivity, thumb rejection, pressure sensitivity, and all those kind of things. But if you can't afford Apple Pencil or if your device doesn't support Apple Pencil, you can go for third-party styluses such as the one that you see on the screen. I don't need Pixel. So these are again wonderful styluses, but it may not work as smooth as the Apple Pencil. There are many cheap alternatives as well. Alternative cheap styluses available on eBay and Amazon. So sometimes you can find it for $1, $2, even $10. So if you don't have anything, you can do this course with those styluses as well. This may be a bit tricky, but there are people I know who would use just fingers to draw on their mobile or iPad. So if you are one of such person, you can just do it with your finger. You don't need any styluses. So that is it all, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.